The shopping cart is located in the top right corner, and selected items will show up there. At the moment, the cart is empty. You can click it to view the cart. Alright, we'll close the cart for now and try adding some products. Now let's add the gift product to the cart. You'll see a notification saying the item has been successfully added. Let's also add Gift 2 and Gift 3 to the cart. Now if we open the cart, we can see the products that have been added. You can also adjust the quantity of items in the cart. Or delete items from the cart. Out-of-stock items will not have an Add to Cart button. You can also see an out-of-stock label displayed on the product. You can also click on a product to view its details, including images, product information, and specifications. For example, let's click here to view the Ring 1 product. Scroll down to see the product details. You can also check out additional product images. Now we'll try adding this item to the cart. You'll see a message indicating that the product cannot be added to the cart. Now let's try adding another available product. Alright, the item has been added successfully. If we check the cart, we can see the product has been added. We can now proceed to check out with the items in the cart. Once you click the Proceed to Payment button, a checkout page will open. Customers will enter their details here, including their name, phone number, email, and address. Customers can also add a note for the store. They can also use a promo code. For example, I'll try applying the code MyCoupon123 here. Oh, this coupon is no longer valid. Customers can choose their preferred payment method, such as cash or bank transfer. You can also edit the transfer instructions in this box. At the bottom, there are two buttons, including Back to Cart to go back to the shopping cart page. The Finish Order button is used to place the order. After clicking it, all order information will be automatically sent to a Google Sheets file for management, and emails will be sent to the customer, as well as order notifications to the store. Now we'll return to the cart page. And that's it for this video. You can turn a static Google Sites page into a free online store with Add to Cart functionality, cart management, and full automation features. Wish you success, and goodbye.